Welcome. My name is Khadija and this is Ask Hennasooq. So I'm taking all of your questions every single week. I got a new answer for you from an amazing question that you guys have asked. The question this week is, can you tint your hair with henna? Like, not necessarily doing like a full henna treatment. Yes, you can. You can definitely tint your hair with henna. The easiest way to tint your hair with henna to give yourself a little bit of a reddish tint and still getting the protein and the strengthening and the shine from henna is to use one of our henna gloss bars. The henna gloss bars are absolutely amazing. They're so good for moisturizing and they give you still enough henna to give you a slight reddish bounce in the light, just a little tint, and also gives you a gorgeous shine, definition, moisture rich. It is just so good. So you could definitely use that to tint your hair so easily, and it is such a great way to get familiar with henna as well. So if you're just starting out, that is a great product to start with. Thank you for tuning in and for watching. I will see you all next week. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I'm gonna see you next time.